At Scaffold Resource, we are experts in the scaffolding industry because we choose to place safety as our #1 priority. For over 18 years, we've provided scaffolding services and shoring solutions for DC, Maryland, Virginia, and beyond, from the Lincoln Memorial to the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. It's really important for us to challenge the status quo. It's really helped us in our growth to not accept what it is everybody else is doing. It is what's really helped us grow.
Charlie and I had a vision. We were going to start a scaffold company and be the best that we could be. With our competition laughing us out of the box, we didn't think it would happen. Over the years, even through a bad economy, things turned, and we turned out to be the #1 scaffold contractor in this region.
We are fortunate to have the most talented team in the scaffold industry with over 300 years of collective experience, from our estimators to our field managers.
With each project, we hit safety milestones and build on our technical ability as a team of experts with the capacity to handle every job, big or small. We currently have over 1 million man-hours without a lost time accident and counting.
I've worked for many different scaffolding companies. The thing that sets Scaffold Resource apart, they have assembled a crew of professionals. We are the best at what we do in this industry. Steel can be bought anywhere. Employees that know how to do it and do it properly are the key to the whole operation.
So I've been with Scaffold Resource for 10 years. Over the course of time, you build relationships with your clients and, eventually become good friends. They realize that they can count on you in the future.
We were looking at a project down at the Hay Adams Hotel, and it was a very complicated site logistics plan. Working with Bill at Scaffold Resource, we actually went into the interview with an engineer drawing and showed the client and said, here's how we're going to do this. And they were like, great. And it's actually one of the reasons why we ended up getting the project, because we came up with the best working solution.
One thing that's different about Scaffold Resources, we have a team of engineers that come up with some very creative solutions to solve problems that the traditional scaffolding approaches won't solve.
The major benefit of having a local engineering source is that they're able to bring engineering in early on a project. The engineers see the issues that are on the ground and are able to work with the field and work with sales and work with their client to come up with the best solution for the project.
We self-perform 95% of the things that we do. We have an in-house mechanic shop, hoisting service department, and we have our own in-house fabrication shop that we develop custom parts for our scaffolding. We prefer to keep all those entities in-house to where we can control them and give our customer the best end-user experience that we can provide.
Even through J.D. Belfield Enterprise, which is our MBE program, we're available 24/7 to our customers, and we do everything it takes to see a job through.
Scaffold Resource exemplifies everything that ABC members stand for, starting with safety, business development, training, and advocacy. In the construction industry in particular, with the work that Scaffold Resource does, the safety record, programming, and the training makes it an easy win for anyone who's hiring them.
Falls from elevation kill over 500 people annually in the United States. Charlie Weiss and Jeff Belfield, they have given me carte blanche to keep their employees safe. We specialize in teaching our guys from the moment they become employees, fall protection, fall arrest, how to inspect your gear, how to wear your gear. We have a stop program, and it means that any person at any level of their employment has the ability to stop work if they witness an unsafe act or see an unsafe condition. In the last 5 years, we've happened to work 1.4 million man-hours without a lost time recordable injury, and that's almost unheard of in our industry.
The most critical resource that any company has are its people. Working with Scaffold Resource, I know they have that same commitment.
As a give back to the industry, we provide a free training seminar for scaffold hazard awareness on the last Tuesday of every month for the first 30 people that sign up.
I think it says a lot about a company whose interest is to simply make everybody else better, regardless of whether there's a financial gain. There aren't a lot of people that do that.
Scaffold Resource is a wonderful place to work. I've been here for 14 years, and it is just amazing how much Charlie and Jeff put into the company. We have a really great team here. We give back to so many different organizations. Seeing the rewards come back through the magazines and the emails and customers sending t-shirts, and it's just a great feeling knowing that we're a part of what's going on in the community.
I think that all the employees at Scaffold Resource carry a lot of pride in what they do. The families are also very proud of what their siblings are doing, or their father or mother, and it's very impressive to drive along the DC skyline and see all the projects that we do.
We have a team of incredible, caring people who celebrate the good times and support each other in the challenging times.
My favorite thing here is working with positive people. Everybody's working together as a team to get one goal accomplished.
The Scaffold Resource, I think, is one of the best companies because they really take care of the people, you know. I start really from the bottom. I was a scaffold builder, pulling orders, loading trucks, and now I am a supervisor on the night shift.
I've been in this industry for over 25 years. I'm blessed to actually work with such a talented group of people. There's no situation that exists that we can't come together as a group and solve. And the team synergy is the reason why we're the #1 scaffold provider in the Baltimore, Washington market.
We get comments all the time that I can't trust anyone else to perform this job. We're standing on a reputation of 18 years of projects. The Capitol Building, the Supreme Court, the White House. These are projects that have our stamp on it, an awesome stamp, an awesome brand. Scaffold Resource.